guys, happy Monday and happy last week of school. This is it. You guys have made it to the end. Congratulations. This is our last week of this type of learning for the 2019-2020 school year, which is just awesome, right? So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to look at this calendar together. This week is really focused on wrapping up our year, especially since we had no idea on March 13th, right, that would be our last time everybody together in the classroom. So it's really important that we kind of take some of the skills we've been learning, but also apply that to some reflection and look ahead to what's coming next, okay? So I'm going to walk you through each day just briefly. You'll find what you need under each day, and that will be that. We will have a nice end to our school year here, okay? So we have Monday, May 11th. The first day is you are going to be focusing on writing a letter of gratitude or something that you're thankful for. And hopefully you can find somebody in your life that you can give this letter to. It could be a teacher, right? It could be somebody else in your life, a coach, somebody from youth group, just anybody who has helped you, maybe in your family, but anybody who's helped you even just a little bit this year. We're going to find a way to write a letter to them. You'll see a template down here and also on Google Classroom of what that letter can look like. And we're also going to encourage you to share that with that person. So if you can get it to them somehow, that would be really great. Now is a great time to just pause and be thankful for what we have and share that with somebody else, okay? Tuesday and Wednesday, you'll see the same directions. So here we have just kind of a reflection menu that we've created for you guys. So it has 6 different activities to pick from. You'll pick one each day, or maybe one that takes 2 days. But just think about different ways that you can kind of apply what you've learned this year and reflect on what you did learn. What is it going to help you do? What has it helped you do? How are you as a learner and as a person right now? Okay? So that's going to take up 2 days there. Thursday, we're going to do a letter of reflection. So guys, if you think about it, there will be 5th graders coming into your spot next year, right? And then you are going into where the 7th graders are right now. So there's some really cool kind of bridging going on. And we want to either welcome a 5th grader in with a letter that's kind of helping them get ready for middle school, or you can write a letter to your future self, kind of talking about what did you learn in 6th grade, what are your hopes for 7th grade, okay? So that's what we'll be doing. Then that'll also be on Google Classroom. Friday is our last chance to see each other because we're going to be starting laptop turn-in the week after that. So I will be posting links on Google Classroom about Google Meets and more directions about when that's going to happen. But it's our chance just to get together real quick again as a class, and each class will have one. We can just wave, say goodbye, wish each other a happy summer, and just see how everybody's doing, okay? So we'll do that. There will also be a super secret surprise on Friday posted to your Google Classroom. So please make sure that you are going to check your Google Classroom. Tell your friends to check its Google Classroom for something on Friday for you as well, all right? Let me know if you have any questions. We're wrapping up the year, guys. Hard to believe. Thank you for your hard work, and we'll see you on Friday.